Good afternoon, everyone. It's Chief O'Brien again from your fire department, giving you the weekly update on the COVID-19 pandemic. Again, this week, Londonderry's numbers continuously are going up. We're currently sitting at 36 cases here in town, and that number is increasing every week. With saying that, as everybody has seen, the governor is going to be loosening restrictions on businesses within the next week or two. So on May 11th and on May 18th, there's two different versions that are going out for barbershops and hair salons, and then to be followed by restaurants and stuff like that. So what I ask people, and again, I preach this every week, what I ask people is to, when you are going out into public places, again, wear some type of mask, whether it's a cloth mask, whether it's a surgical mask, whether it's an N95 mask. You need to wear a mask. People need to realize that there's so many people out there right now that are asymptomatics. What that means is they don't know that they're walking around with this virus. And what's happening is the people that are walking around this way without being tested are infecting other people, our vulnerable people, within our community. So again, just saying that is it's very important to wear a mask when you're going out into public places, especially grocery stores and any facilities like that. Over this last week, I just saw down at a local parking lot a gathering of probably 15 to 16 cars. All these people were gathered in this parking lot with balloons and speakers set up, and none of them were practicing the social distancing guidelines. None of them had masks on, and these are the people that are going to infect our most vulnerable society. Shame on you. We need to work at this together. I think it's going to get worse before it gets better. We are definitely not going down in cases, nor is the state. The number of deaths have increased on a daily basis, and I think we're in this for the long haul. In order for us to get those numbers down, we need to practice the social distancing. We need to look at the governor's stay-at-home orders. We need to practice wearing masks when we're going out into public places. I mean, over this past week, Massachusetts has made it mandatory now that everybody going out into public places needs to wear a mask. I don't see New Hampshire doing that anytime soon because our numbers are, by all means, are not where Massachusetts are, currently at 73,000 people. But again, we don't want to get there. So just saying, going forward, people, we need to follow these guidelines. We need to be cognizant of what we're doing. I would recommend any Londonderry residents stay away from the rail trail on the weekends. I live up in the north end of town, and I drive by that new section all weekend long, and it looks like a Massachusetts parking lot or a New York sideway. It's crazy, and you don't have the amount of space walking on that rail trail to pass people at a safe distance if you're not wearing a mask. So again, practice good hygiene. Wear your mask when you're going out in public places, practice your social distancing, and please try and keep everybody healthy. Thank you, and I'll see you next week.